girls, you're riding on a rainy morning this morning. What do the horses think about being wet?
Not very nice.
They need the exercise though, don't they? What happens when they don't get enough exercise, Cheeky?
Oh, how do you see? And they get too fat.
Remember what happened the other day when you'd been away?
They get very angry when you try to sell them.
What about when you're riding them?
And they go wild, want to just eat grass.
I think this is the first time you've ridden on a rainy morning, isn't it?
Except for when you were riding and we were in your belly.
That's true. So have you got that bit right on this side? The noseband?
No.
It goes under the...
Cheek.
What's that called?
The cheek spot.
That's right.